Good freezing morning to all my crew members here. Saucy, the Towboat chef here. So I'm still waking up, but I went to Bowzer's Towboat channel, and you all need to see this latest video he did. I've got some clips of it here, and I will post a link down in the description and up here somewhere. And also on my end screen. Go check this out. You all ask questions in reference to the towboats and why we tie them up and so forth. I want you to see these two towboats going in ice. One is, the first one is run by our company, and it looks like they're trying to get to Caro. So they don't even have barges in front of them. But look at all the ice and everything else they got to fight with. It's not that easy. It looks easy, but it's not. Now, you have to remember, ice on the ice also travels underneath the boat, underneath the tow. It can damage the rudder and the propellers. Now, so if that happens, that boat is standing still and can be frozen in. So that's why I was saying, this is the reason why our companies get these boats tied in as soon as they can and try to get them out of these ice-infested waters. So go check out these clips and then go check out his channel. So I'll see you here at the end of this video.
Until midnight tonight. Wind chill advisory remains in effect until 6 a.m. Tuesday. For the winter storm warning, heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches. For the wind chill advisory, very cold wind chills. Wind chills as low as 20 below zero. For portions of east central and southeast Missouri and south central and southwest.
Up at Blue Lock somewhere waiting on police base, or y'all going straight through with the drop right down at Blue Lock and hit the K road. 13, this is gonna be a while, but y'all be out of there by the time we yeah, we ain't even stopping. I ain't gonna wait to take my back, okay? Trade with you. I sure did. Yeah, I wish.
As you can see, it's pretty rough. But if you want to see the full effect of what Bowzer did, go to his channel. Again, it's going to be linked at the end of the video, down in the description, and it'll be up here somewhere. Yeah, it's pretty rough out there. And now you see why I'm home. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Again, go see Bowzer's Towboat channel. And check out all his winter videos. He's awesome. Awesome with that drone. Alright, thank you, Bowzer, for sharing that with us. And I hope you don't mind me sharing these clips. Alright, talk to y'all later. I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Till then, bye-bye.